Oh, hey guys, Willie and Murphy here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a wet and miserable morning, but I get to work on this amazing Land Rover Defender. So a couple of videos coming up today. First of all, we'll be replacing the wing mirrors and the arms, so that's a nice little job on there. And secondly, this door handle is very rattly, so hope you enjoy these videos. If you do, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. And until next time, enjoy, and I'll see you then. So, got a bit of an issue on this side of the car. I got a wobbly door handle. Now, I've just removed the door card because I'm doing another job. And inside here, there's a little torque thing, and inside the other side, I can get my hand up underneath to feel in here. So, and then if you look closely, you can see there is a torque screw there for the outside, and there's gonna be another one in here somewhere, so I need to make a slight slit to get through to be able to tighten that door handle down to stop it from rattling. But if I just my little drive down here, and I can tighten that down just by tightening this screw, automatically you can see such a huge difference. So I'll do that the other side as well. I need to put a slit maybe here, feels like there's a bit of a access hole. I can put my hand up underneath to try and work out where that screw needs to go. A bit fiddly. I should be able to get it sorted. You can see the screw just there. And it's tightening down, which is great. Whilst a little bit fiddly, one screw, two screws. Door handle is once again solid. Happy days, nice, quick, easy fix. In order to get the door card off, you've got two screws here, one screw here, and a series of poppers around the outside. The door card comes out, lifts up, and you get access to all here. On the other side of the car, there wasn't this membrane here, so someone's been in there previously and tore this out. Ideally, this is good for sound deadening and keeping any water that goes through the windowsill into the door and doesn't come into the car. So yeah, nice job little done. So yeah, a nice little job done. Nice and simple, happy days. Right, that's it from me. The door handle is repaired. Nice simple job. The hardest part of it is stripping out all the door card really, and then actually just finding out where the screws are. Really fortunate I had that access up so I could get my hand in to feel where things were, and as I was wobbling I could feel the screws are very loose. So they're now tight. As you can see, there is no more wobble on that handle, and it opens and it closes exactly as it should. So happy days. A couple more videos coming up on this car. A rusty door step replacement, mud flap installation, but overall this video here is done. Nice short one for today. If you haven't seen the previous one of fitting the door mirrors, then go check that one out. Really cool little car this. I do like this one a lot. So it's very rugged, and it's an absolute workhorse. So yeah, happy days. Thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed this, hit the thumbs up, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. Until next time, take it easy. I'll see you later.